Looking for a coffee drink that perfectly balances sweet and salty flavors? Today, we're making a delicious caramel pretzel iced coffee that's creamy, refreshing, and incredibly easy to prepare. Rich coffee, smooth caramel, and crunchy pretzel pieces come together to create a cafe-quality beverage right in your kitchen. Let's get started and make this irresistible iced coffee treat. Caramel pretzel iced coffee recipe ingredients: 1 cup strong brewed coffee, chilled, 1 5-cup milk, and muriate, a 2 tablespoons caramel sauce, a 1 cup ice cubes, a 2 tablespoons crushed pretzels, a whipped cream. Extra caramel sauce for garnish directions. Brew your coffee and allow it to cool completely. Fill a tall glass with ice cubes. Add the chilled coffee and milk. Stir in the caramel sauce until fully blended. Sprinkle half of the crushed pretzels into the drink and stir gently. Top with whipped cream if desired. Drizzle extra caramel sauce over the whipped cream. Finish with the remaining crushed pretzels. Serve immediately and enjoy the sweet and salty goodness. Thank you for joining me in making this amazing caramel pretzel iced coffee. The combination of smooth coffee, rich caramel, and crunchy pretzels creates a flavor experience that's hard to resist. If you enjoyed this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious coffee creations. Let me know in the comments how yours turned out. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com, 3coffeelover.